My family and I decided that we would put a granny flat on a secondary dwelling. We picked this particular style of granny flat, the Ibiza, and we did have to change a little bit to suit the block, which means taking a metre off one side, and we sort of changed things around. We changed a few windows. It was all very simple.
Jim did it as a owner builder. So we, as in I had Custom Creations, we put all the footings and the subfloor in, and then Jim took over the build and built a pretty good building on his own. Did a great job. It's always good to have a bit of a building background, but you don't have to be qualified builders to do it. I think they're fantastic for the owner builder because everything's laser cut precisely on a CNC machine down to the millimetre. So we know they'll go back together perfect. Any sort of DIY can do them, so they're perfect for everybody.
So we had it actually up in 4 days. Yeah, the build was amazingly quick and easy, very straightforward. The support was fantastic from Shane and Steve, anybody, and it wasn't a stupid question to be asked, there was always an answer, and that just made it so much easier. As you can see with the finished product now, it's quite big, open, airy, and it just ticks all the boxes in terms of what we were looking for a granny flat. We live on a main street in a quite a small suburb, but the main corner is just directly out the front of the house. There's a lot of delivery trucks, a lot of buses, school buses, and once these doors are shut, it really does quieten it right down. You don't really hear the effect those noises have when those windows and doors are shut.
The double glazed windows and doors are fantastic. They sort of work perfect, for noise, heat, cold, things like that. The fact that everything is exactly to what the plans say, it makes it really easy to build.
A lot of the talk I did have with Customs Creations was about energy efficiency because that's quite important to us. We don't have air conditioning, we have ceiling fans, we have good lighting, we have the twist and turn windows, which is just a great feature to have. So all the powers for the power points comes up from the bottom through pre-drilled holes, which is done in the factory, and all the light switches come down from the roof, which are all pre-drilled at the factory. So really, it was just like a big Lego game, but it just went together beautifully.
I'm going to recommend this. It works on any block. It doesn't matter how narrow your access is. It can be front yard, backyard, can be dead flat, steep, it doesn't matter. Basically, these things can be built anywhere.